Today we're checking out the SLX Oil Catch Can in black for the 2011 to 23 5.7 liter HEMI and the 6.4 liter HEMI Chargers. If you want a simple engine protection mod that helps keep the intake tract cleaner over time, this is one of those simple upgrades that makes a lot of sense on a HEMI, so it's definitely worth considering. A catch can is all about trapping harmful blow-by before it can make its way back into that intake system, and that's gonna matter because oily vapors can turn into sludge, carbon, and build up over time. This one is built specifically for the HEMI Charger, so it's designed to help maintain cleaner airflow and more consistent performance over the long haul. This is gonna be a smart upgrade whether it's your daily driver, just a weekend cruiser, or something that sees those track days. It's gonna really help out when you have a few mods where you wanna keep the engine bay and the intake path in better shape. Another reason someone's gonna want this particular setup is that it comes as a direct replacement style kit with the hoses and all the fittings and the mounting hardware already included. So it's not something that's pieced together like a universal setup. It also is gonna help reduce carbon buildup and protect those engine internals, which is exactly why catch cans are such a popular preventative mod on engines that see real street miles. One thing to know is that the stock air tube silencer won't stay once it's installed, but for most owners, that's a small trade-off for a cleaner intake system and a better long-term engine care. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting a very well-built catch can crafted from CNC machined 6061 aluminum with a durable black finish, along with the hoses, the fittings, and the mounting hardware needed to complete the kit. This aluminum build is going to give you the durability and heat resistance that you want inside the engine bay while keeping the setup compact and clean when you look under the hood. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's only coming in right around that $100 price range. For a HEMI specific oil catch can with the hardware included, that's a really solid value in my opinion for a preventative upgrade that can help keep the intake system cleaner over time. When it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can get this job done in only 2 hours of your time. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Muscle customers.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing the SLX Oil Catch Can on a 2019 Dodge Charger. What you're going to need is a 12mm socket wrench and a wire pick tool just to remove a wire clamp. So we're gonna start by removing this clamp that's holding up the wires. I would use the wire pick and you just kind of pull it out like that. It's pretty easy, or you can use your hands, just yank it out. And we're gonna grab our bolt that comes in the bag and we're gonna install it like so. And we are going to tighten it up with our wrench. So we went ahead and swapped the socket to a smaller one so we have access to ratchet up. All right, now that that's nice and tight, we're gonna go ahead and start removing these lines. So with the provided hoses, the longer one is gonna go over here on this upper side. So we have the longer hose here. We're gonna put the fitting in, press it in about halfway. It has a mark in the middle that you can see. Now we're gonna put the cap over. And this one goes in just like so. All right, that's nice and tight. And then all right, there's the first hose. So we have our smaller hose right here. We're gonna put the fitting the same as the previous one. Press it in. Put the cap on it. And then we're gonna use this opening right here. Put it in like so. I'm gonna use the last cap provided in the kit. I'm gonna push it in there. There we go. And there you have it.
All right, that wraps up our review and install of this SLX Oil Catch Can in black for the 2011 to 23 5.7 liter HEMI Charger and the 6.4 liter HEMI Charger. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.